That's wrong, yeah. Okay, just forget the music. Let me sing it by myself.
Blue.
Jukebox says here's whiskey be free. We wouldn't be sitting here drinking this shit from Tennessee. We've been drinking the Bud regularly. I throw a log on the fire and take another shot of JD. We were trolling for fish all damn day. We landed a hog, but the asshole got away. Wade says be patient, just got away. But I'm thinking maybe I've got something new to fillet. Bring the boat up to the shore, the cabin away. We'll be making it seem like the lobsters have learned to migrate. We're leaving the shelves for news the next day. The headlines will read a new species in Asiatic lake. Seems all the sun has for me today is an ear full of hacking and a cramp in my leg. An Irwin hook's a 120 and Thailand's a 110. A large record awaits and Hardy will be crying again. The fire is high and the sun is low. Looks like the mosquitoes have nowhere better to go. But I won't let it stop me from changing course. 'Cause we have to show Alan what he missed out on when he said no. So
That's what I said.